So here in this problem, we are provided with a set A containing the elements 1 through 10. We need to determine whether the following element as given from 1 to 6 belongs to A or not using the appropriate symbol. So here we have a belongs to and a does not belong to symbol. So let's start with the first one. So here we have to check whether if the number 4 or the element 4 belongs to the set A or not. Now clearly we can observe here that 4 belongs to the set A, so we will say that 4 belongs to the set A. Now number 2, negative 4 does not belongs to the set A because A clearly is a set of natural numbers which has a value less than 11. Now negative 4, that's not a natural number, that's an integer. So here we will say that negative 4 does not belongs to A. So we'll write epsilon and cut through it. Then coming to number 3, here we have 12. 12, does it belong to the set A? No. And the highest number that belongs to the set A, that's 10. So 12 is greater than 10. We'll say that 12 does not belongs to the set A. Then number 4. So here clearly 9 belongs to the set A. So we'll say 9 belongs to the set A. What about 0? 0 is not an element of the set A. So 0 does not belongs to the set A. And finally number 6. Negative 2, so that also does not belongs to the set A.